What are you doing? Come on. You are ridiculous. What in the world? Okay, dude. Really? Come on. No, don't bite me. Get out of the dough bowl. Get out of the dough bowl. See ya. You don't live here. Sweetheart, you don't live here. You really don't.